Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. In the shop today, working with Greg, and we're installing push-through letters. There's a couple big signs here, and I'll go ahead and show them, and then do a demonstration on installing the push-through letters on the backing. So here, this one is, I think this is about 20 foot long. I don't remember. And then to push these from the back. This one's not complete yet. This is one of the bigger ones. So now I'm going to install the letters in this one here. And the way we do it is the islands get glued in, obviously, and we put these brackets on here with Lord's glue, holding them on, and then we silicone them around it. So I'll show you. So we got Lord's glue, we got our tabs. So we're just going to go ahead and just put basically just dots of glue along the edges. You take your brackets and you just put it on, press it down, and it's going to hold the letters on once it dries. And then after we're done, we silicone around the letters. There's a side of aluminum brackets that are sealing it down just for the glue to stick. Like that, without dropping them. Lord's glue dries pretty quick too. Actually, let me fix this right here. So that's how you do the brackets, and then when they're all done dry, we'll silicone around the letters. And that's pretty much it. That's how we're doing this sign. We do a lot of different ways, but this is the fastest, simplest way that works for this job. Awesome. So we're just gonna finish up, and then I'll cut back for the silicone, and then we'll end the video then. So hang tight. Alright, so I'm putting the silicone on the letter now, so we just wrap it like this. Kind of hard to hold it, do this at the same time. But you can see how I just put it around the edges, and that'll seal it from any water leaks or stuff like that. But that's it, that's how we do it. Making push through hand faces. And there's the rest of that one on. The big one. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification, and we'll see you in the next one.